الآن يمكنكم المشاركة في مبادرة الأيام الرقمية تحت شعار انطلق بقوة مع جوجل، والتي يتناول فيها خبراء جوجل عناوين جديدة أسبوعيا مثل السحابيات، مهارات من جوجل، أندرويد، فلتر، ذكاء الآلة، فايربيس، ديزاين ثينكينج، مقسمة إلى دورات وورشات عمل يومية بالإضافة إلى مسابقات أسبوعية. شاهد الأيام الرقمية مباشرة على اليوتيوب وشارك رأيك وأسئلتك مع خبراء جوجل، واحصل على شهادة حضور في كل محاضرة تشترك فيها. هذا وأكثر من الأحد إلى الخميس ابتداء من الساعة 9 بتوقيت دبي عبر الرابط المبين youtube.com/GDG-MENA.
Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. If the sound is good, just type me if it's good here. And let's just start today. Inshallah, we're gonna talk about the TAO of digital marketing. And okay, some people ask, what's TAO? It is TAO, we can say it's the principles. It's Chinese name, but a lot of people use it. Okay, it's not really familiar to some people, but it's fine. So what we're going to talk about today is what is digital marketing. And there's a lot of people who know it. There's a lot of people who talk about it. And why digital marketing exactly in this time, in this year. So we don't mean why digital marketing in general, but no, what digital marketing in this time. Marketing generations, then digital marketing generations. Then we're going to make a little comparison between what's traditional marketing and digital marketing in many points. In the end, you're going to talk how to start in digital marketing, how to build your career. So I think that there is everywhere in the world, there's three types of people. We have people who work, employees, we have students, and we have project owners. So which one you are from them, please, I just want to read some comments so I can know with who I'm talking right now. So are you student, employee, or project owner? We're waiting. Just type it in the comment. Let us read. So, first thing is, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing in general, it's just three little words. It's about the M and the C and the G. MCG, that digital marketing. So, let's see what's M. What's M for you? What's M? What the meaning of M? Oh, project owner, media buyer. Marketing, M. What's M? M, it's marketing. Digital marketing is just a type of marketing where we use some digital tools like phones, like social media, some stuff like that. It's just a type of marketing. So what's the C? Okay, it's marketing using C. In this marketing, we're using the C. What's the C? And it's marketing. What about C? Communication, no. But it's really near to communication. You're really near. No, it's not customer. So we're waiting for your answer. What's the C? It's something that we use. It's digital marketing. It's a marketing using the C. We use the C to make our marketing. What's the C? We have Abdurrahman, who is media buyer. And I'm sure that he'd be the one who knows it. What's the C? We're waiting. See, it's not communication, it's not customer. Digital marketing, it's a type of marketing using C. Some C's. Channel, exactly, channels. It's digital marketing. It's just the type of marketing using digital challenge in order to G. What's the G? So, what's the G? I'm gonna say it again. Digital marketing, just a type of marketing using digital channels or digital tools in order to achieve goals. That's the digital marketing, just a type of marketing. Use some channels in order to achieve our business goals. Okay, what's marketing? It's what all we know. It's just trying maybe to boost, trying to say message, or like the godfather of marketing say, it's okay. Who's the godfather before? It's Philip Kotler. He say marketing it's CC, TP, DV. It's communication. It's to communicate and create in order to deliver a value to a target audience and get a profit. That's the marketing. It's CC, TP, DV. That's all the marketing. All marketing is about that. So channels we use in digital marketing. For example, so let us see some channels where people we have, or maybe where we use sometimes, what channels we use, for example. What channels we use, for example. Okay, Facebook, it's a channel. Google, it's a channel. YouTube, it's channel. Social media, all the social media, it's channel. Everywhere where we can run our ads, when we can put our product, we can find customers or leads, it's a channel. Everywhere, it's a channel. For example, if we go in the old versions, channels was, for example, printing ads was channel. If we can say like a delivery, it's delivery channel. That's the channel. Okay. Then in order to achieve goals, and that's what we really need to talk about, and there is a lot of people who don't know a lot about that, which is goals. What's goals? The goals are not always to sell. If we can talk, for example, about Coca-Cola or Pepsi, Pepsi are not online to sell. You're not going to find, for example, e-store or marketplace for Pepsi or for Coca-Cola to show you their product and say, oh, buy that from us. They're not going to do it. Coca-Cola are there only for their brand, to make their brand stronger, and only to exist online, for the people know Coca-Cola and still knowing Coca-Cola and know its power. But Coca-Cola don't sell online. So that's one. It's only branding, and that's the most important. It's brand awareness, branding. And there is a lot of courses that talks about brand awareness, and hope we're gonna talk about it one day. So second thing, one of the goals is generate leads. Take these leads to your website, and from your website, of course, you're gonna sell to them. That's one. Another example, like we said, it's just for the awareness, for the people hear about your brand. There is some brands, if we go, for example, a very, very big Arabian company would make a huge brand awareness online, especially in the 4 years ago, these last 4 years, you're gonna talk about Idrak company, Idrak e-learning. If we can see Idrak, no one was knowing Idrak, but lately all the people know Idrak. Why? Because they did very, very huge ads and very big ad campaigns only for the brand awareness. Okay, so why digital marketing? Sorry, I bring it some statistics from another website. Okay, from HotSuite, and we're gonna see in this world we have 7 billion, almost 8 billion persons in 2021 in the world. Can you imagine that 5 billions having phones? And from these 5 billions, There is 4.8 billions who are using internet. Can you imagine that you're gonna talk with 4.8 billion person when you are online? And active social media users are almost 4.5 billions. It's a very, very big number. You can sell anything online. You can do anything online. You can work online. So don't wait that some people say, oh, where is opportunities? Opportunities are everywhere. The only thing you need about opportunities is that you need to be ready for it. If you're not ready for that opportunity, you're not going to take it, believe me. Just be ready for the opportunity. Okay, let's say the growth of digital world. If you can say, okay, don't talk about people. Let's talk about internet exactly. Can you imagine that 5% in 1 year start using internet from the world, and 30%, 13, sorry, start using the social media? So there is very, very big opportunities to sell, there are big opportunities to work, there is a lot of things. So daily spend time social media, how much people spending? People are spending a lot of time on social media. They're spending a lot of time online. They're spending a lot of time in websites, in watching, in everything. And in each one of that, there is an opportunity. You can work, you can build your career, you can learn something, you can sell something, you can sell product, you can sell service, you can sell information. If you can talk, for example, about the world, and we're gonna ask, what is the biggest industry in the world, for example, and you can say, what's the biggest industry in the world? That's the question. So let's see some answers here. What's the biggest industries in the world? Industries that makes money or that gives money. I'm gonna help you with the first one, okay? Then I'll let you the second and third. First one, it's drugs. To be honest, it's drugs, yes. Drugs is the most big business in the world. It's the most one that brings money and very quickly. Second one, what is it? So we're waiting. Second one, we all know it and we all use it. First one, it's a drug. Second one, we're waiting for second one. Yes, there is someone here who say it. Okay, in the same time, I'm doing another live on Instagram, and there's someone who interested in Instagram. It's tech. It's tech field, tech companies. We have hey, Samia say Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just a part of the tech world. So tech and IT is second biggest industry in the world. What's the third biggest industry in the world? We have drugs, then tech, and the third one, what is? What is third one? Let's just do some tries. No, not real estate, not bank investment. Third one, in 2021, is the information. It's courses. It's when you give information, it's coaching, it's consulting. That's the third biggest one. That's the third biggest one. And you can say that marketing, it's one of the educational fields. In marketing, for example, you can sell consulting, you can sell courses, you can sell service of marketing, you can teach people and sell coaching, consulting. And we can say that marketing there is a part of marketing here, and the other part is where a lot of us don't see it, is when you be a media buyer, is when you be a community manager, is when you can be, for example, someone who do only some social media designs, all that. There is a lot of people who make a lot of money from that. So don't just say, oh, I need this and this. You don't need a lot. You just need to do some courses, then go and practice for 1 or 2 months, do some campaign ads, start learning, and go and have some small pages on Twitter, on Facebook, Instagram, maybe on Snapchat. Start doing campaign ads, start working, learn how to do some design, and start. Then you're gonna grow step by step and build a very, very big career in this field. Okay, let's continue. So the marketing generations we have here, there's a lot of generations from the beginning, but if you can say typically there is 3 marketing generations. The first one is from 70s to 80s. That's the first generation. It's the first generation and it's focusing only on product. Okay, for example, just let me try to have something right here. We have this mouse. Come and buy it from me. Okay, that's the first marketing generation. The people just, okay, I tell you, oh, it's red, it can open here, it's very small, and try to say our service or try to talk about our product. But the first marketing generation, and still work to the moment. There is a lot of companies who do that. For example, if you can see websites, sometimes we're gonna across video ads on YouTube, we find the same thing. If you have just any example of one of these products that, or the companies which still selling their products with this way, like, oh, we have this product, our product contain and contain and contain and contain, so come and buy it from us. If you just know any of these companies, please type it on the comment for we can have some real example and know that you are really aware of what we are talking about. Okay, that's some Algerian products which having the same market, which are from the same marketing generation, and can say from this one it's حل واحد حل واحد لجميع الاستعمالات, and the other one is the best choice, etc. Second generation in from 18 to 19, it's based a bit on the consumer. So we talk a bit about consumer, we talk about that our customer have a problem, and we come to say, oh, we are solving your problem. That's the second one, and it's really based about STP, which is segmentation, targeting, and positioning. First thing we're gonna do is just segmentation. We segmented our audience or our target audience to some segments. Then we target our audience, the one that we want to target. And how to target it? We need to position ourselves to target it. Let's give a real example. We're having this one. Okay? We are having this mouse. We want to talk about the customer or the consumer. We go, we see how much customers we have. We are having students, we are having administrations, we are having, for example, employees, we are having gamers too. Okay, now we did segmentation. Which one we want to target? Okay, let's target gamers, for example. So I targeted gamers. So where can I find gamers? I need to position myself in the same place where gamers are, for I can sell it to them. We can mix between the first one, second one. We can say, we can target, then talk about our product to this target audience, and still working till today. If we can having some examples of companies which do that, we'll be really happy to see some real examples. Okay. Third generation, it's focus on society, and that's what we are seeing now. That's where we can see, for example, Coca-Cola did a very big initiative. I don't know if you've seen it or no. It's how say, like big screen between Pakistan and India, and people need to dance or to do something or to draw the peace logo for they can having a Coca-Cola. Means they was focusing on society and tried to say we are nice, we are helping society to do that, and etc. etc. There is a lot of companies who do that. There's some companies, for example, if you're gonna back to our lovely red mouse, you can see that I can tell you, if you buy this mouse from me, I gonna like give €1 or I'm gonna give 10 cents, for example, from the price to a cancer hospital. And I did focusing on society. The big slogan of it is let's make our life better. Yes, we can. Okay, but now I think we're not in 70s, we're not in 80s, we're not in 19s, we're not in 20, we're in 2021. It's a bit different. So, what marketing generation you think it works for now? What marketing generation you think it works for now? We're waiting for some examples in the comment. Really, I like to talk to you. Means I like to having some comments. I like to seeing the answers. And example from me and another from you, and everyone gonna be good. Everyone gonna understand what we're talking about, etc. Need story a bit. Yes, we need story sometimes. It's type of marketing. Social media ads. We are near to the ads, right? For now, it's days marketings. Didn't get it. Need to be special and expressing not just a slogan. Yes. Content marketing. Exactly. There's some people who said content marketing. That's true. Okay. So for the moment, if we can say we are in mobile and internet world, right? So there is a digital marketing generations too, if you don't know that. We have Web 1.0, we have 2.0s, and we have semantic web, the 3.0, where we are facing the AI revolution. Okay, the Web 1.0. What's the Web 1.0? Is just where we were seeing just some very, very simple landing pages. Any company have just a small landing page and they put some informations. Web 2.0, it's, for example, if you're gonna go to Egypt and talk about souk.com. Let's say about souk, in a time ago, when it was in Web 2.0, there was some people who are paying souk.com for the ads. Okay? And the ad will show to everyone. It's like printing. If I'm interested about IT, if I'm interested about shoes, if I'm interested about watches, anything, this ad will appear to me. And the other person gonna pay because there is 1 million person who seen this ad. But not anymore. Not anymore. For the moment, we are in the AI revolution. For the moment, for example, if I check a website and I'm someone who is interested about watches, I'm gonna find a watch ad. And the other person who is paying his ad on this platform, on this website, is gonna pay less because there is less people who are seeing. There is artificial intelligence models and there is bots who are doing, robots, who are doing the targeting, who are targeting us. As a person, our informations are all online. That's the new generation. New generation is the AI revolution. I don't know if you heard about it or if you are someone who go and read some articles, but I really advise you to go to Facebook IQ and read some articles there, and you can see that the new Facebook algorithm and the last, okay, Facebook don't have one algorithm, they have a lot of algorithms, they have many algorithms, not only one. There is some people who are thinking the algorithm. No, there is algorithms, not the algorithm. We need to add an S in the end. There's many algorithms. Okay, the one that run targeting right now, it's very specific, and it contains a lot of information about us. So if you want to go and target, if you are a media buyer especially, and you want to go and target an audience, please specify only localization and age. Else of that, don't put interest, don't put anything else. Age, localization. Robots and machines will do the rest. They are working with a new strategy which is clustering. Clustering way, just I don't know if I don't have paper here, right? Okay. What clustering way they work with? For example, we are targeting 1 million person. Okay, the bot don't go to 1 million. It's gonna take only 1,000 and divide it, for example, on 3 clusters: cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3, 4, 5. 200 in each cluster. 200 in each cluster. It's gonna show the ad to each cluster. Okay. After that, what's gonna happen? They will show it to before it, why they do these clusters, and base it on what? They base it on interest, they base it on their activity, they base it on what posts they like, they base it on what they do online, and each cluster is very similar. The people inside the cluster are very similar to them. So we're going to take each cluster and show the ads. For example, this cluster didn't click it on your website, this cluster didn't click it, this one didn't click it, this one did, and this one did. So we're gonna delete all these people and show the ad only to these 2 clusters. It's a very strong new way. The article is on Facebook IQ. You can go there and read more about it. Okay, we're gonna talk a bit very quickly about digital marketing versus traditional marketing, or we can go very fast. Okay, if we can say that traditional marketing is a bit expensive. Why it's expensive? I remember I was in Dubai one day, and I asked my friend about a banner. This banner was in front of Burj Khalifa. I just asked him like how much per day people pay to put their ads on this, their printing ads on this banner. I think he told me more than 5K US dollar per day, if I'm not wrong. So, and this, for example, let's say this person is selling a medic for diabetes. Okay, people who are seeing these ads will be me and you and the tourist and the people who have diabetic and people who haven't diabetic and the young kid and the old man, and he's gonna pay for all of them, and it's too expensive. Where if he went online and did the same thing, it will be less expensive. Second thing, it's what we talked about before. It's really hard to select who's seeing your ads, where online it's a reachable target audience. Third thing is flashy content. For example, I was in my car and I seen your banner and I forget to take my phone and take a photo for I can call you later. But online, no. If I see your ad online, I can connect you at that time. I can make a comment. I can like make screenshot. It depends. And there is the most important one is the communication. You can't communicate with your people. You can't put someone in front of the banner and say your mission will be talking to people. It will be more expensive. Where you can do it online, with online a lot of people or anyone who can comment where a lot of people will comment and ask and others send messages. Anyone who comment or send message, you can talk to him, and it will be a new channel for you to sell more. Okay, so now we want to start on digital marketing. Me as a person or me as a company, I want to start to do some digital marketing, or I'm trying to go digital, or I already have business. I have Facebook page, I have Twitter page, but I don't know how to start. Okay, so there's only some small steps. First thing is defining your goals. Your goal from being online, first thing. Second thing, your goal from the content you are sharing online. People will know, like people don't know why you are online, but you should show them something that makes them follow you. Okay? And second thing is knowing your target audience. You need to know who is your target audience. You need to know who are the people you're talking with. You're not talking to anyone, and you're not just talking alone like that. Third thing, after like knowing where you are online, your target audience, for example, let's say just take an example, setting this, and it's a gamer mouse. Okay, I'm not going to go to Facebook, for example, or let's say I'm not going to get to a lot of websites. Maybe I gonna try to use a bit Discord and use YouTube because gamers watch YouTube a lot. That's one. So after knowing your target audience, you're gonna choose the right channel. After it, create content. Content is the key. We are in the content creation world right now. Content creators are the leads for the moment, and content creation is the key of success. So why people, and this question is the most important question about content creation. Why people will come to you why you don't give them any valuable content? For example, why are you gonna buy from you and you don't give me any valuable content? Just give me one thing that makes me come to you as a trainer, as a person, as a brand, as store, as anything. Why should I come to you when you don't give me any valuable content? Sorry, Usama. There is a question and I didn't see it. Sorry, Usama. Can you type your question again? Please, can you retype it again, because I can't find it I can't find it here. There's a lot of messages. I can't find your question. Sorry. Usama, can you re-say your question, because I really didn't find it inside the comments. Entertainment. People will buy it from you because you are giving them something valuable. People will come to you and not to others because they're gonna trust you. With the content, they're gonna trust you. And let's see, like, I would say, let's see how to start on this. How to start on content creation. First thing you need is strategy. And I talked in a video before about only content strategy and how to make content strategy. Usama, again, please, can you re-answer your question? Sorry, can you retype your question? Okay, it's strategy. I shared this one before, and I need to say it again because it's very, very important for any brand content strategy. We have 4 key points. We have brand utility, we have brand entertainment, like Abdullah said, we have real-time marketing, and we have corporate and product communication. And that's the last thing, and that's the only thing people are doing online. A lot of them Just do product communication. Just do their offers. That's what they give. No one do brand utility. No one do brand entertainment. No one do from time to another some real-time marketing. I don't see that a lot, to be honest. So what's brand utility? That's the first step. You need to use some influencers in your marketing. You need to give informations and advices that helps people. Because if you don't help people, no one will come to you. Be sure of that. No one will come to you because you're not helping anyone. People will trust you because you are helping them first time, and second thing, because you are showing that you are good in what you are doing. Okay? Okay, so let's share the. Wait, I will share it. Give me a minute. Okay, so let's share the slide. Okay. I find a lot of difficulties offering my services. Okay, Usama, can you just later DM me and we're gonna talk about it very, very clear. Okay, so let me just zoom a bit. Okay, that's fine. So, second thing is brand entertainment. You need to make some games, you need to make some challenges, try to make a bit of viral content that helps you at least to grow online and to make your brand more stronger and to make people interacting on your brand. Third thing, it's real-time marketing. We need that in events. We need that, for example, in national team, football matches or Olympiad or everywhere, like something that which is real time. Fourth thing is corporate and product communication, and that the last thing you need to do is when you offer your services. Don't offer your services when you are not giving any valuable thing to people. Okay? Please don't offer any service if you don't give any valuable thing to people. People will like you, people will follow you, people will buy from you when you give them something they need. They won't buy from you when you don't give them anything. Okay? Be sure of that. Okay, let's see just a small example. I did it before too. People on Instagram are seen it before. So you can see someone who having a business, okay? And this person having like 10 leads per day and conversion rate is 10%. And of course, with weekends, he worked 25 days per month. And the price of his product is 2,000. Okay. So can you just do a short and small mathematical equation and tell us how much he can take per month? Just to help you, if you can say 10% of conversion means he sell one piece per day and he worked 25 days per month. The price is 2K. So can I know? So just tell us. We're waiting for someone who is good in mathematics and tell us this. And you just need to make the calculator like in front of you because we're gonna calculate many other things. We're waiting for someone who's gonna like calculate it. So who gonna calculate this for us? Okay, no, we know 2K per day, but he's working 25 days. So how much he gonna take per month? That's what we need. How much he gonna take per month? Maybe you are using the phone. It's only 25 on 2K, and it will be 10, like 15K. 15K. Okay? So after a time, and if we can say in business, he gets some employees, and okay, Samir got it. And after getting these employees, he start having more leads, of course, because he was able to talk with more people. So the leads being 30, conversion still always 10%, 25 days working per month, and price of the product is the same. So what we are seeing here, everything's still the same. The only thing that changed is how much piece he is selling per day. From one, it been three. So it's so clear that 5K on three, it's 150K. Easy. Third thing, he start learning. He invest on himself, and that's why I was saying before: invest in yourself and learn more and more. Don't just stay in your place. Just learn. Okay. So he learned it, and when he learned some sales, how to talk with people, etc., he started going from like having only 10% of conversion, it up to 20% of conversion. Everything still the same. Price of the product still the same. Working days still the same. Leads still the same. The only thing that changed is this, is the 20% here. Okay? We are going from 10 to 20%. The only thing that changed is we have a number multiplied on 2. So, how much per month? How much per month? We was having 150K. How much per month we are having right now? We're waiting. Okay, we're gonna talk a bit in Arabic later. So, we're waiting for some answers. We said all the numbers are still the same. The only thing that changed is from 10% we went to 20% of conversion. So we're going only to multiply our number on 2. It's very easy. So we're gonna go from 150 to 100K to 150K to 300K. And there is the key. He started doing some content creation. When he started doing some content creation, he started having more leads because there being more people who are trusting this person, who want to buy from this person. Okay, we went from 30 to 100. Can you imagine that from 30 to 100 is more than 3 times? He started gaining 1 million per month. And not only that, just added something else. He started developing his own product because, when you do content creation, when you have, for example, Facebook page or Twitter page or any distribution channel, we can name it distribution channel. It's just channel where you are putting your content. You're gonna get some feedback, and with the feedback, you will of course developing your product. So when he developed his product, he gets some other costs. So he make it the price a little bit higher, but people still buying it because it's a very good product. And he went from having 1 million to having 1,050,000. And not only that, he put his business online. And since he put the business online, he was only able to talk to 100%. He can't get more employees because there is more charges. In the same time, he wasn't able to work 30 days per month. But when he have an online store, he can work 30 days 30 days per month, and he start having 600 leads per day, and boom, from 1 million 50 to 10 millions per month. That's the process that we need to follow. That's the right process that we need to follow for everyone who having a business. Go developing yourself, learn more, do some content creation, then put your business online, and you can earn money while you're sleeping. That's the best thing. That's how people are doing. There is some kids who are doing that. So I don't think that there is a reason that makes you wait to do that. Okay? And good luck for everyone, can say. Okay, so things you need to learn. You need to learn, or you need to hire someone who knows this. Okay, that's it. Marketing, a bit about Facebook ads, Google ads, content creation, create marketing strategy and content strategy, some SEO, search engine optimization, someone who is good in designing content and in copywriting. Okay, if we can say, just let us know how many person we having here with us on the live streaming. Just give me a minute. Okay, so if you are ready to have something good, I hope everyone here type yes. Just type yes. Abdurrahman, we did the matrix only to show a process of someone who is having a business and he's starting doing some processes to make his business better and better and better and better. That's all. So everyone who is here and listening to us, please type yes. Just please type yes. We are seeing only one, two. There's only two persons who are here. Only two persons who are typing yes. So that's a very, very low number. Okay? 3. Okay, 3. So 4. Great. Okay. The team here in the backstage gonna share my Twitter. Okay. And everyone who want like a good offer, okay, just DM me on my Twitter with the name MENA Digital Days or MENA DD, and we are giving some, okay, we can say after a month we're giving some very, very, very nice courses in each one of the things you are seeing here. Maybe we're not going to do only one thing, which is SEO. Okay, the only thing we're not going to do is SEO. All others we're gonna do. We're gonna teach you some marketing. We're gonna teach you some about Facebook ads, about Google ads, about content creation, about how to create a marketing strategy, about how to design your content with the right way, and how to write your content. So just go on Twitter, DM me with the word MENA Digital Days or MENA DD, and I will send you a link to subscribe, and we're gonna contact you with the email very, very soon. Okay. So let's go right now to some question answers, Q&A. We're gonna pick some questions, and we're gonna see if we have any good questions. So any question you have right here? I'm gonna pick one or two before closing our live session. before closing our live session, if there is any question, if there is no questions, okay, if anyone يعني want to talk in Arabic ولا عنده question in Arabic, there is no problem, we can answer it even in Arabic. Can you give an advice about important tools that I can use to develop my Facebook ads? If you are talking about the Facebook ad team, there is a very, very good course from Facebook Blueprint. It's the official course for Facebook ads. Just check Facebook Blueprint, you're gonna find the course. It's very, very good. Instead of that, you really need to be updated with Facebook IQ. Read the new articles. There is always new events. Always there is new events. There's new videos. They put a lot of new informations, updates. Because if you know, like we all hear that Facebook having a lot of problems with the government in USA. So they always like having some legal problems. They always change their laws. They always change their guidelines, etc. So you just really need to be updated. That's all. And the second thing is having the Google Ads certificate from Facebook Blueprint, which costs us $50. It's very, very important. You need to be certified. Being certified will give you very, very big opportunities, especially if you have an ad account that which contain more than 10K per month. You're gonna be a very, very big trainer with them. Okay. So we take another question. Last question. Last question. If there is no questions, gonna close the live. So please rename the face certificate. Rename it Facebook Blueprint. I will send it to the chat and the team will put it. Facebook Blueprint. It's not very expensive. $50. I'm really sure that will give you open very, very big doors. Okay, just write this on Google, you're gonna find it. Facebook Blueprint. Facebook Blueprint. Okay, there's it in the comment. Just write it on Google and you're gonna find it. It's the first link. Facebook Blueprint. And there is another one for Google. It's Google Exceed. Wait, Google Exceed. You need to be certificated in these two. If you wanna be a digital marketer with like, how said, who having very big opportunities and who can work with a lot of companies and getting a lot of clients, you need to get these certificates of Google Exceed and Facebook Blueprint. You're gonna find a lot of certificates in community management, in design, in Google Ads, Facebook Ads, a lot of certificates. So we're arriving to the end of the session and hope like we wasn't a bit يعني ثقال عليكم, say it in Arabic, and really hope you learned a bit, at least something. If anyone here learned at least something, it's a very big pleasure for me. So we're in the end. Hope everyone is fine and hope you enjoying this session. See you in the next session, inshallah, and take care of yourself.